Just simply come onto this website, click on this button, copy this link, come over here, click on this button too, paste this link over here, click on submit, and that is it. Now you are done and you have successfully established a separate income source for yourself. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can generate $1,240 in a week by simply copy and pasting. Guys, this method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment, equipment, skill or past experience whatsoever to get started. All that you need to do is simply watch this video from the start till the very end, and that is it. But before we move any further guys, I want to give you a small disclaimer that the following video is going to be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, then I cannot guarantee that this method will or will not work for you. So guys, make sure to stick around until the very end of this video and not skip anything. And without wasting any more time, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to omnilink.iconsquare.com. Now guys, OmniLink is going to be the platform that is going to be the main platform in our video. This platform is going to be the one making us the money and getting us the sales. Now, what is OmniLink? Now, OmniLink is basically a platform that lets you design custom landing pages for all your links for absolutely free. Now, the reason I chose this is because like getting your own custom domain is usually very expensive, and then getting hosting services is also very expensive. But a service like OmniLink really eliminates all of those things and lets you like develop your own landing page or basically your own website within a few clicks. Now, they have a unified space for your redirections. Basically, like you can put in different links that are gonna redirect people to like different platforms all over the globe. Now, similarly, they also have a lot more features as well. So like they give all these features, and like everything over here is really valuable. Click on sign up and then wait for a couple of seconds and their sign up page is gonna come up. Over here, put in your email, your password again, and then sign up for absolutely free. Now once you've signed up, I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you have signed up successfully, what you can do is that you can simply like put your link over here. So now over here, type in make money online 2021 fresh. Now once you type in this, click on next. After that, simply choose a template. Now I personally like to go for templates that are more colorful or basically like really straightforward. So like these two are my absolute favorites. I'm gonna choose this one because like for now I think this template is gonna do the job perfectly. Click on next again. Then from over here, choose the color that you want to go for. I'm gonna go for complete black. Click on next. And then now you have yourself your OmniLink dashboard all is set up. So now you can simply like change everything that is present over here. You can change the text, you can change anything that you might need from this particular page. So now from over here, simply click on this top right corner around these boxes to basically customize these boxes. So I'm gonna like basically what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna like remove the rest of these links from over here because I only need 2 links. So then I'm gonna type in best money making product. After that, on top, I'm gonna put in my Instagram URL, but after a moment, because firstly we want to like set up everything over here. So like from over here, simply change the name, make money online. After that, on the @ simply type in money online 2021. Now once you have put this over here, simply click on these icons over here. From over here, simply delete all the icons except for the Instagram icon, because that is what we are going to be attaching our link to. So similarly, now once you have like deleted all of these things, and now you have a very nice looking page in front of you. So once you have this, you can now move on to step number 3. Step number 3. So on step number 3, I want you to come on to clickbank.com. Now guys, once you come on to clickbank.com, Clickbank is basically an affiliate marketplace through which you can grab yourself a lot of affiliate products and a lot of different deals at very nice rates. So what I want you to do now is that simply click on sign up at the top right corner, sign up quickly on ClickBank by filling in all the information that they might ask you, like your first name, last name, phone number, email, password, and then simply join ClickBank. Now once you've done that, I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second. So once you've signed up successfully, you will be able to see this marketplace dashboard in front of you. So from over here on the left side, you can see a whole list of categories that you can find products in. So like we have politics, we have languages, we have home and garden, we have health and fitness, green products, like many different products. So what I want you to do from over here is that simply pick a product that you think is going to be the most profitable. So I'm gonna pick a health and fitness product. Now once you pick this health and fitness product, what you can do is that basically change the product. Type in business. Now once you type in business, we have these products come up. Now I'm gonna pick a product that is gonna pay me the most commission. So like this product is the best product in my opinion, because this is basically an advertisement solution for businesses. So I'm gonna pick this product. Now what I want you to do is click on promote. Now once you click on promote, simply click on generate hop links, and then after that simply copy this link, come back to OmniLink, and then from over here click on this button at the top right corner of this box, and then simply paste your link over here next to this best money making online. Now after that, once you have like basically pasted your link over here, simply do this and then get your business started. Now once you've put this in, you are essentially done, and now you have a very nice looking page. Now what I want you to do is simply move on to step number 4. Step number 4. So in step number 4, I want you to come on to Instagram.com and I want you to design a brand new page for yourself, or basically change your profile picture, your profile username to something about business. Now I'm gonna change my page's attributes to business. So I'm gonna type in over here, get the best business deals, and then over here in this link I'm gonna put in my OmniLink page URL. So over here in this Instagram link, simply copy the URL of your profile and then simply paste that URL over here. Now once you have done all of these things, click on save. Now once you save this, now you have your OmniLink URL as well. Simply copy the link, and then after that simply paste it over here in the website section of your profile. Now once you paste this over here, click on submit and then back up. Now you have your OmniLink URL over here as well, and this will appear in just a second. Now similarly, whenever you go on like a forum, you can simply share your OmniLink URL and then get people to like, you know, click on them by telling them that you can get the best business deals through this link. Now to grow your Instagram, what you can do is that you can come onto a website like Pexels.com. Now guys, Pexels.com basically provides you with copyright free images and videos basically in every single niche that you can possibly think of. So if I were to type in business over here, well then after that I will see all the posts in business. So what you can do is that you can like start downloading these pictures and then start re-uploading these pictures over here on your Instagram. Now similarly, like to download any picture, click on it and then click on free download. Now once you do that, your picture is going to be downloaded, and then after that within some time you will have that picture onto your computer, and then you can simply start re-uploading them onto Instagram.com, and then my friends, you will be getting traffic from all over the world, because like people are going to be joining your page through Instagram, through OmniLink itself, and through many different sources. So guys, like this was basically the video. At the end, just simply share your OmniLink URL and you will see commissions rolling in into your ClickBank account, and also through your Instagram page you will get even more traffic on your ClickBank account as well. So guys, this was the method, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.